Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Pablo Rodriguez, aka the Hustlepreneur. I'm here with my main man, Quentin Flores. All right, we're here today because we're gonna help you get started in your acquisitions position or your sales position. A lot of you guys are just getting started, and we want to help you get started super fast. All right, we're gonna show you all of our tactics, all of our ninja tactics, the exact words that we use, so that the success that we've had, you can duplicate and become just as successful in your business.
I want the check, check, ooh, I want the check, check, ooh, I want the check, check, I want the check, I want the check.
Lesson 1, what is a motivated seller? A motivated seller is someone that when you call them, they are literally falling over themselves to give you the property, okay? And the way we typically categorize motivated sellers, they're dealing with one of 4 things. We call it the 4 Ds. Death, when someone's passed away in their family, unfortunately, and they have a property that they've inherited that they can't pay the taxes on or don't want to pay the taxes on, and you just want to get rid of the property. Disease, maybe they're dealing with a sickness in the family and can no longer afford things because medical bills are stacking up and they need to liquidate quickly in order to get out of that situation. Debt, somebody who's deep in debt, maybe they're tax delinquent for multiple years, all right, and just can't afford the property anymore, can't keep paying on it, but they want to get rid of the property, all right? And the last D, the big D, is divorce, okay? People go through divorces every single day. Some people part amicably and are just ready to get rid of the property and split things 50-50, and some people are fighting over it. Regardless of which one is your situation, those are fire motivated sellers, and that's what you should really be looking for whenever you're looking for motivated sellers. All right, so remember, we don't chase them, we let them chase us.
I want the check, check, ooh.